Hello. The question I wanted to talk about today was, should you organise a tabletop exercise for a company that doesn't have a business continuity plan? So this question came from a consultant whose client was really persistent and determined to hold a tabletop exercise, yet he was unsure about whether this was appropriate or not because they didn't already have a business continuity plan. So I think you should follow the passion of the company. If they're really excited about something like a tabletop exercise, then you should just go for it and use that as an opportunity to do a gap analysis. So in the exercise, you can create whatever scenario makes most sense to that organisation and get your business impact analysis information from the exercise. So once you've got all your management sitting around the table, they're all keen to do this a tabletop exercise, you can say, okay, well, this is the scenario, this is what has happened. Now let's list your key products and services in order of priority. You tell me which ones need to get back up and running the fastest, and how long do you think we need before we can get these back up and running. And that way you can get an idea of what everybody's priorities are without kind of pouring cold water all over their exciting idea and ruining the fun of the exercise. So I think it's a great opportunity to get everyone together, and at the end of the exercise hopefully you'll have enough information to get that first draft of the business continuity plan and then just cumulatively build on it, so each exercise you get more and more information. If you are a consultant preparing business continuity plans with clients, save time using our online template. Choose from 1 to 50 plan packages at bcpbuilder.com/join now.